Camp Alarm System, 1-minute survival tip. I am sure you know different methods to secure your camp with an alarm system. Most people use electronic devices, tins or even pyrotechnics. The purpose of such devices is obvious: uninvited guests should be recognized early, or be scared off. However, I show you a widely unknown device, which I have often used in the jungle. Though bamboo is taken, but in our woods you must take what is available. If released, it sounds like a rifle shot. However, you must properly react if the signal is to be heard. Fight or flee if necessary, but don't be a sitting duck.